Hi, I'm Matt Pearson. I own River City Coffee in Hull. We're a bespoke artisan coffee roastery with a community focus, and we do wholesale accounts and sell to the trade as well. I joined FEO on recommendation of one of the independent coffee shop owners of Hull. It was a blinding guy, and he said you need to get your backside into it. We were already an established business, we were already doing well, we were already set up, and I said, what the hell can I get out of it? And he said, get yourself down to it, and he wasn't wrong. In fairness, when I came down I was sceptical. I thought I didn't know it all, but everyone in the room seemed to be new startups, and I thought I'm a year in, I'm doing okay. By the second session I saw his point. There was a lot to be gained from just sitting there in a room full of really positive people, and then some of the speakers that come on were absolutely amazing. They refocused my attentions, they made me look at bits of the business I hadn't even looked at before, and it's within 7 weeks. It's not a transformative process by any means, but it certainly made me sharpen my pencil a lot and made me a lot more positive about things. So anyone who's joined up, well done. Anyone who hasn't, tell them they're idiots. And I hope you have a great time doing it like we did.